the afternoon of December 29th. Last night I hunted across the road from here and was watching 3 or 4 does milling around in this cut cornfield out in front of me. So tonight I had the right wind, so I came back over here, and I'm right on the outside edge of this cornfield up in the hardwoods that surrounds it, and so I can pretty much see the whole cornfield. So hopefully I'll be able to pinpoint right where those does are coming out and then make a game plan from there. So hopefully I'll get eyes on them tonight and set up a game plan for tomorrow or whenever I get the chance. Well, just had a small doe come running out of the other side of the field. I was hoping she was going to run clear across here, but then she cut in about 100 yards in front of me. At least I got to see something. Hopefully something else comes out here. That doe actually did work around and clear around here, and I didn't see her until she was right over here. Doe just ran across that field in the same exact spot that first one did. So I'm gonna jump over here real quick and get in position where that first one went, because maybe she'll follow the same path. But I gotta hurry up and get over there. I'll be able to see where that first one went exactly with the tracks in the snow right here. You can see her tracks. I'm gonna get set up right over here. Getting drawn is gonna be really hard because I don't have anything around me. That's not good either. plan worked. I don't know where I hit her or anything, because it's like right before shooting time's over. She acted like she was hit pretty good. She was, you know, like trying to get out of there. I hope I put a good hit on her. She acted like she was hit, so I hope she went down right over that hill or something. And go check out the arrow now. Well, I shot that doe about an hour ago. Went back and looked at the video, went back home, looked at it, and I'm not sure about the shot. I couldn't really see it on the big screen even, just because it was kind of dark. But the pop sounded good in the shot when I shot her. So hopefully she's dead, not too far from where I shot her. Got a little bit of a walk to get back here, so keep moving. Well, here's the first spot of blood. She must have ran right through this thick stuff. There's a little bit there, right there, and there. It's a lot more than it looks like, actually. There's some hair right there. Some more blood right there. It's not much, but I don't know if it's because of the snow or what, but the only blood I'm finding is on these little weeds and stuff that's sticking up. Here's some more good blood. This is probably the best blood I found. I'm probably 100 yards from where the shot was, but hopefully she starts to open up or something. I've just been following her tracks now. It's pretty much the only thing I've got. Not much bloods right now, but there she is. Well, I ended up finding her. I started losing blood and I was just following her tracks, and then I stumbled up on her right here. So only my second deer with a bow. It's been a long season. You know, I've had a lot of opportunities at big bucks and I've screwed all of them up pretty much, but stuck it out. Ended up killing a doe. Public land, 2017.
Apparently the table's out of level, the floor's out of level. I'm gonna guess it's full.